Boy, this is going to be quite a weather event, it appears. The fear right now for those Duke Energy officials is what's in the forecast. Rapidly declining temperatures coupled with extremely strong winds.
We know this is going to be a tricky storm for us.
That's the best assessment Duke Energy spokeswoman Sally Thielen could offer 24 hours ahead of a potentially dangerous winter weather event.
It's not going to be so much of a snow issue. It's going to be more of a wind issue for our crews and obviously the bitter cold temperatures.
The power of the wind gust we end up seeing is why Thielen is using the word tricky.
If the winds are over about 30 miles an hour, we can't safely put the buckets up to do repair work.
That means if a tree falls on a power line and the lights go out, repair work could take longer than usual.
There's still action going on behind the scenes and we can start beginning some of our vegetation clearing, but typically the winds are going to be an issue for us to get up there with the buckets.
I asked Thielen about the overall strength of the grid that supplies electricity to almost 900,000 homes and businesses in greater Cincinnati.
We're definitely prepared. We've done a lot of grid strengthening in the recent years, so we've really kind of fortified it a lot on that aspect of it.
For Thielen, the worry heading into Thursday night is less about our region's supply of power and more about restoring electricity to homes that get disconnected from transmission lines.
We're very confident in our systems on both the electric and gas side that we'll be prepared, and certainly all hands on deck. We'll be ready to hit this if we do get extensive outages.
Now, Thielen says she's confident Duke Energy does have the right level of staffing to deal with whatever ends up happening weather-wise. Even so, she said reserve crews are at the ready and will be called in if needed. Reporting live tonight, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.